Today, we're building a simple professional quote tracker app in Glide from scratch. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Glide. Log into your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Apps section and open it. From here, create a new app. Choose the blank option, then click Create App. Glide will spin up a fresh project with a default name, and you'll land inside the app builder. Before we set up the layout, we need to get the data structure in place. Navigate to the data area. This is where your app's information lives, and setting it up carefully will make everything else work smoothly. On the left side, find the area for tables. Click the plus icon next to tables and choose Blank Table. This gives you a clean slate for your quotes. Now return to the main view and click the newly created app with the random name at the top. Rename it to Quote Tracker so it's easy to recognize later. With the app named, go back into the data view and start adding the columns you need for tracking quotes. Click the plus button beside the table columns and create them one by one, assigning the correct type to each. Add quote number as a text column. This could be something like Q001 or any internal format your team uses. Add client name as text so you can capture who the quote is for. Add service as text to describe what's included, such as design, consulting, or installation. Add amount as a number so calculations and sorting are accurate. Add a status as text, which will help you visually organize quotes by their progress. Add date sent as a date so you can keep an eye on timelines. Finally, add notes as text for any extra details or updates you want to remember. With the structure in place, enter a few sample quote entries to make sure everything looks right. Add a handful of rows and fill out each column. For status, include a mix of common stages like draft, sent, approved, and rejected. This will help you see how the layout behaves once we switch to a Kanban view, and will make sure the formatting feels consistent. Don't worry about real data yet. Placeholders are fine at this stage. Next, move to the Layout section. This is where you bring your data to life and make it easy to navigate. On the left, look for Navigation and click the plus icon to add a new screen from data. When prompted, select the newly created app's data so the screen is powered by the table you just set up. On the right side of the builder, choose Kanban as the layout. This layout is perfect for visually tracking quotes as they move through stages. Name this new tab quotes so users immediately understand what they're looking at. Click the Kanban component to adjust its settings. In the right-hand panel, set the source to your quotes table so it pulls in all the entries you added. For title, choose quote number so each card is labeled in a way that's easy to scan. For description, select client name, which gives a quick reference to who the quote is for without opening the card. At this point, your screen should show cards for each quote, grouped in a way that makes it easy to see progress across statuses. If you added the sample statuses earlier, you should see your entries distributed in a helpful visual flow. To make data entry simple, add a button to this screen. Click Add Component, choose Button, and then rename it to Add Quote. This button will be your user's entry point for creating new quotes. Select the button so its settings appear on the right. Set the action to Show Form Screen. This tells Glide to open a clean form when the button is clicked, letting users add a new quote without digging into the data table directly. With this in place, the app becomes much more usable for anyone on your team, from sales to project managers. At this stage, the core of your quote tracker is ready. You have a structured table, sample records, a clear Kanban view for quick status checks, and a straightforward way to add new quotes. Give everything a quick pass to confirm the titles, descriptions, and columns are all mapped correctly, and that the button opens the form screen as expected. A tidy setup now saves confusion later. When you're happy with how it looks and behaves, it's time to share your app. Click Share at the top of the builder. Glide will generate a shareable link. copy that link and send it to your team or clients as needed. They'll be able to open the app and use it on desktop or mobile right away, making collaboration and tracking far easier. That's it for this build. You've taken a blank Glide project and turned it into a functional, organized quote tracker with a Kanban view and a streamlined way to add new entries. If you want to expand it later, you can, but this foundation gives you a reliable workflow today. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.